Alas, poor Yorick. I knew him, Horatio. Aloha, and welcome to my Tiki Bar. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to totally cock up my algorithm and make a tiki video. Because it's summertime in California, and every time it's summertime in California, I get bit by the tiki bug. And I decide that I'm going to take all of this stuff that I've amassed over the years, all this tiki stuff, masks, statues, mugs, bamboo poles, machetes, shark jaws, pirate crap. All this stuff I've collected over the years needs to go somewhere, so I've decided to turn my back patio into what I'm going to call Kapina Cove. I'm announcing it now, the official name of my tiki bar. Kapina means captain in Hawaiian, and cove, well, you know what a cove is. Kapina Cove. Do you have a tiki bar? What's in your tiki bar? What should I add to my tiki bar? Tell me all about it in the comments below. I'm on a tiki kick, so the next few videos you're going to see of my channel are probably going to be me putting together this backyard oasis. This is the first of probably what's going to be a series, and this one's about fountains. I've had in my head for quite some time the idea of building a tiki fountain. I have this mask that I got at Cost Plus a long time ago, and it's got a little hole in the mouth, and I ran some bamboo through it, and I thought, you know, if I hung this up and put a fountain pump tube through it and ran water through it, I could make a little water feature where the water squirted out of this tiki mask's mouth into like a basin. And then I'm like, hey, I have a clamshell. I could put a clamshell in there and the water could like spill into the clamshell and open over and into a pond, right? Surrounded with some ferns and palms and tropical plants, and you got yourself like a tiki pond. So I've been thinking about this for about 3 years now, and I finally decided, you know, it's time to just build this fucker. It's been a long time. I have all the stuff. And today I'm going to show you how I turned this bland, boring, beige space outside of my glass slider into this! So grab a Mai Tai, stretch out in your favorite hammock, and enjoy the video. Well, that's the fountain. I think it came out pretty well. Went a little overboard, but I think it looks good, you know? Tiki's all about clutter and maximalism and packing as much into as small a space as you can. Just to add more craziness to what's already there, I am going to add some pond lights, red and blue and green and different colored lights showcasing different areas of the pond. I think that'll really make it pop like at night. And I am going to probably try and find some more rocks or bricks or flagstone or something to kind of hide the cinder block areas in the front that are showing through. I could pack more plants in there, like vining plants, to kind of spill over and cover the cinder blocks, but I think I already have enough foliage. It's a bit much already, I think, but it's good. I like it. I'm happy with the way it came out. What do you think? Anything that I missed? Anything that you would add, subtract? Let me know in the comments below. At some point soon, I'll probably do like a tour of the whole area. There's a lot of unfinished stuff. There's a lot of like tables and wood and shellac and things in various states of disarray, because I am in the process of like varnishing some bamboo poles, and I'm going to be varnishing like these crates and making shelves out of them for behind the bar. But when I feel like it's in a good enough spot where I feel comfortable showcasing it, I'll do a tour. So if that's something you want to see, let me know. Leave a like, comment. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. If you were looking for another Spider-Man cosplay video, I do apologize. I am going to get more cosplay content going. That's a love of mine, and I'm always going to be doing that. But right now, I'm just kind of on this tiki kick, and I figured if I'm already working on this area of my backyard, I may as well document the build and, I don't know, try and get some of my Tiki File friends on my channel watching. I'm sure there's some sort of a crossover between cosplay and Tiki Files. I'm sure that there's some overlap, and we'll find those people. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that build. I recently surpassed the 1,000 subscriber mark on my channel, so if you're one of the people that subscribed and stuck with me through all of this craziness, I just want to say that you are awesome, and thanks for being here. Until next time, aloha!